reality. We made a promise that our children would not walk hundreds of kilometers in search of meal. Bright children need bursaries, not to stay at home. Abantu aminto. Apart from ensuring that institutions of learning are equipped with the necessary tools of trade, my administration will also ensure that there is a functioning school feeding program and accessible and transparent bursary fund. Turning to agricultural products, we are all aware that Kisii County is struggling to regain its lost volume as a cash crop-rich country. The days when farming ensured a steady incoming for household and improved livelihood for independence are long gone. Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm coming to an end, it's not lost on us that we are inheriting a county facing financial crisis, a ballooning wage bill, and a workforce. Public appointments have largely been based on promising and personal connections, suspect procurement dealings, and the ghost service delivery dealing that have hurt the economy and the fortune of our county. As we extend on all grounds those willing to work with us on this journey, we will not hesitate to clinch our fist and firmly deal with those who oversee the routing of public resources under their care. An efficient public administration can only be achieved if the country, among all the county service workforce, understands the monumental task ahead of us. We will consult on issues that touch on well-being of our people, but we won't hesitate to reprimand those who will stand in the way of change. The Public Service Board will be called upon to work with the government to oversee the gaps in personnel management, but at the same time review the status of the county role as provided in the law. Ladies and gentlemen, a majority of our people are youth, and the county government, with erratic procurement rules, have denied them a chance to take part in the constitutional right of accessing 30% of all county government tenders. My administration will pay a special attention to this group and ensure that the rights of hundreds of our suppliers of goods and services get access to the county service and payment. Finally, we have a huge task ahead of us, but together and speaking in one voice, we will deliver on the promise we have made to our people. A promise of a more sensitive, accessible, accountable county government. I look forward to a robust engagement with the county assembly, the provincial administration, our development partners, and all other key stakeholders. My brothers, before I end, I want to recognize that there I know we are flagged here with a number of diplomatic corps members. I know the British High Commissioner is represented here. I've seen the Chinese government represented here. The Director Generals, Director General Nema, my brother Mamo, there are those ones also who join with you. There are a number of Director Generals